Good morning guys, welcome to my channel. Today is the second day of our workshop. Today is Tuesday the 26th of October and it's almost 7 o'clock guys. Bababa kami at breakfast kami. Johnny is ready, he's been waiting for me. Tapos after ng breakfast, babalik kami dito sa room kasi yung workshop mag-start ng 9 o'clock. So, let's go breakfast, Johnny boy.
Okay.
Morning, Johnny.
Well, good morning.
Johnny want to go down now. He's been waiting for so long.
Waiting for you?
Yeah.
Not that long.
Okay. Let's go.
Let's do this thing.
So guys, the breakfast is buffet. There's butter, bread. Yeah, toast. You can toast. You can have that one bread. So fruits. What's the breakfast? Maples. Knives and fork. In here, is this the one? Oh, that's not it. I'm not sure. Johnny's bringing my plate, guys. Okay, start it, Johnny. Is banana bread and the fruits. So guys, muna ako ang breakfast. Pancake, hash brown, croissants, scrambled egg, bacon, and I don't know what's this one. And Johnny's breakfast is good. Good, Johnny boy. Very good. So, kakain muna kami, guys. Back in the room, guys. We're done our breakfast. Nabusog ako, guys. Hindi na ako nakakain ng fruits. Kasi nabusog ako sa breakfast ko. Akala ko makakain pa ako ng fruits. Hindi na kaya ng tummy. And, look, John is doing his new morning routine. Exercising to make his tummy flat. Not talking. He's concentrating, guys.
This is serious business.
Serious.
Pick me up.
He doesn't want to lie down on the floor, guys. That's why he's in the bed. Oh, I'm impressed with Johnny boy. Yeah.
Impressed?
He has the motivation of doing that, guys.
Oh, 20. I'm dead. You're impressed and I'm depressed.
Yeah. All good, Johnny boy?
All good.
And now, guys, we're just waiting for the time, 9 o'clock. Is it?
Yeah, 9.
So we'll just
Get together at 9.
yeah. So we go down before 9 for the morning session. Then yung morning tea. May morning tea. Lagi kami kumakain, guys. Morning tea, then session again, then lunch time. Session, then afternoon tea, and then session, then dinner. Lots of foods.
It's too much for someone trying to lose weight.
And Johnny tried to lose his tummy.
And they got all this food they're throwing at us.
And we kept eating.
We just had lunch yesterday.
Yeah.
We went there for half-hour session. It was afternoon tea. I thought, what's going on here?
So guys, mag-toothbrush ako. I clean my teeth again para ready na ako mamaya. Guys, ready na ako mo at to sa ubos. Ready na ako sa session. Naka-lipstick na ko, guys. Akong gimix ang 2 lipstick, 2 color. Kaya ganyan ang kulay. It's MAC lipstick and the 3CA. I mixed them together. So, yeah, ready na ko. Pero katulugon ko, guys. Lami man ikatulog. Relaxing ini. Ang session karon maghiskot sila og kuan. PTSD. Gahapon stress among hisgutan, guys. Karon PTSD. So, tagal pa. Alas 8:10 pagso. Baka baba kami doon 8:45. So, mag-watch muna ako ng YouTube. Guys, bababa na kami. We're going down soon for the session, morning session. It will
Yes.
be PTSD.
PTSD.
Yes.
And nightmares.
Nightmares. Jan is traumatized living with me, guys.
It's a nightmare. It's a jungle out there.
So, we'll see you after lunch, guys, because I'm not taking the camera. I'm not videoing in there. So, see you later. See you later, Johnny boy.
See you guys. Bye.
You're not looking to them, Johnny.
Bye.
Bye.
I've been eating
Yeah?
lunch.
Lunch time namin. Ito ang lunch namin. Johnny have fruits.
Oh,
Yummy, good. Yummy, Johnny. Yummy lunch.
yummy, spicy, but nice.
Kain muna kami, guys. Guys, done our lunch. We're back in the room. Johnny's resting a little bit. We only have an hour lunch today, so not much time for rest. We're heading back down
No
soon.
rest for the wicked.
Yeah, it's a long day, and this afternoon
What are we talking about this summer?
we will talk about relationship.
Relationships?
Relationship, guys.
Oh.
How's our relationship, Johnny?
What, are you having an affair?
I'm having an affair of my vlogs.
I'm having an affair.
You're ninja. I know.
I'm having an affair with my wife.
Hmm?
With my wife.
Who's your wife? So 10 minutes to go and 1 o'clock we'll start again. So see you this afternoon, guys. Maybe we will swim. Not sure yet. And then after we'll have dinner. I don't know what to get tonight. I will have a look later. What dinner? Well, Johnny is getting, I don't know,
Me, I'll probably tonight. I'll probably do calamari tonight.
calamari.
And
Yeah.
tomorrow night I might do either I'll do probably the fish.
Fish.
Mackerel. And the last night I'll do the chicken on the banana.
Oh guys, every night is already planned with Johnny boy.
What are you having?
I don't know, it depends what I like tonight. Johnny?
Yeah, you can have the pork belly too.
Yeah? Okay.
That should be good. It's up to you.
But
But
there
not
is...
the one. Get the meal, the big one.
Yeah, there is also pork.
Because you had the bones.
Pork ribs. There is also pork
Yeah, but I heard
ribs.
them say that was nice.
That was the most expensive one.
Pork ribs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very expensive, guys. It's like
Well, that one last night was cheap.
$46 a meal.
42, I think, isn't it? Pork ribs. Ours was
40.
36.
46.
Ours was 36.
It's alright. It's free anyway, so...
Government can afford it.
So, papahingahin natin. Let Johnny rest, guys. We'll see you later. Bye-bye. Have a good short sleep, Johnny. Hi, guys. We're back in the room again. Tapos ng aming session for today is finish. Naon sa to, guys? Manami, guys, for today. So we're just relaxing now and wait for dinner. We'll have dinner at 6 o'clock. I'm tired. We were thinking of swimming
Oh, but they can't.
after the session, but
Tomorrow.
we're tired. Maybe tomorrow. We'll see. We'll see, Johnny boy.
Yeah.
So now we're just relaxing because it's too early. It's like 4:35, and we'll have dinner at 6 or 6 something. So magre-relax lang muna kami, guys, baka matulog ako ng konti. Ikatulogon ko sa session. We're talking about communication and relationship.
Post-traumatic stress.
Post-traumatic stress, how to handle stress, how to
What's your
have
mind processing it?
a good relationship. Johnny boy,
We're going so.
we're talking about how to have a good relationship.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not easy. It's not easy.
Not easy. Are you sure, Johnny boy? Johnny is tired, guys.
This is very exhausting stuff here at this resort.
He
Doing
did
these
not
courses.
sleep. He did not sleep well because of the
The
pillow.
bloody pillows are like a rock.
It's too big.
Till Marianne said, see if there's any softer ones up in the cupboard. And
Yeah.
there were. Couldn't believe it. It was like chalk cheese. I'm on the soft one now.
Yeah, the other one is too big. The one behind me, that one, it's just too big and a bit hard. Just good
Very
for
hard.
leaning, like sitting on the.
Barbara said she nearly brought her pillow with her, and I said, it's funny you should say that. I said, because I thought leaving home, should I take my pillow?
Did you?
Oh no, it'll be all right. I did. I thought, should I take my pillow with me? No, it'll be all right. I'm being silly. And I said, there you go. I arrived here and it's like a rock.
Lucky the extra pillow is
Yeah.
softer and smaller than
Oh, thank God.
the pillow in the bed.
Maybe they've had complaints.
Oh my goodness. So they give us option. Yeah, now relax muna kami, guys. See you in dinner time. See you, Johnny boy.
See you guys.
Oh,
Yeah.
Johnny's very tired. Good night, Johnny.
Good night.
Guys, pababa na kami. We're going down for dinner because Johnny need a drink and
drink.
he's coughing and he will not stop coughing because he wants to go down.
I keep asking today, they keep having the air conditioning so cold, and I say, it's so cold, can we turn it up? Yeah, we'll get the, they do it. They take it up 1 degree. Might as well go and piss into the bloody wind.
Johnny, I told Johnny to bring towel tomorrow.
This morning, I got so sick of it, I went and took matters into my own hands. The controller that controls the temperature needed a university degree to understand it. I mean, it's a complex one, and I buggerised around it. Anyway, it ended up switching the whole air conditioning off, and we just had the fan unit going, which was great. It suited me fine. After an hour, the lady's like, "Oh, it's so hot in here. Is anyone else feeling hot?" I'm nearly going to say, "It was me, miss. I was the one." But she didn't ask who.
Johnny, turn it off.
So they switched it all back on again, and I start to freeze again. Tomorrow I'm taking my pyjama. I'll wear this other one underneath. I'll wear two.
Are you
Underneath it.
I told him to get the towel, the
Towel around me.
swimming pool towel.
Send them the message.
Yeah, the swimming pool towel, guys, para iubos iwan. Johnny got the chill from the air condition. So, bababa na kami, guys.
But I feel like a wuss because the soldiers are supposed not to complain.
Yeah, but you're an old dogs now.
Oh, no, I'm not taking it. No.
No, you're an old dog now, so you're very fragile. Okay, I will not take the camera, guys. I'll take my phone because I'm shy taking this downstairs.
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life is sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She illuminates so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and your sounds alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
Well, it was a great meal. Tonight was good.
Yeah, the dinner tonight is good.
Yeah.
I like my pork belly.
And calamari. Great
Johnny
meal.
had the calamari.
Yeah.
It's a big one, big dinner.
It was a big one.
Yeah.
Bigger than we had last night.
I did not eat the brown rice and
I could only finish the fries because you had that beautiful sauce.
yeah, and the bok choy.
Sweet and sour sauce, I loved it.
Yeah, but the pork belly, the crackle.
That was nice.
Very good.
You got that right.
Very good crackle of
Did
the
well.
pork. Yes.
Chefy.
So we're happy. Our dinner tonight is good, guys.
Yeah.
Good, guys.
There was enough though, even though it was only a slice.
Mm.
There was enough, eh?
Yeah, I can hardly finish it, really. And then I don't really do much video in there, guys, because the music is so loud and lots of people tonight. I'm shy doing videos, so now we're preparing for sleep.
I'm preparing for tomorrow.
And guys, I will show you my new night routine.
You're right. Routine?
Yeah, I have new night routine on Tuesday.
What's
and
that?
Saturday. My skincare routine.
Oh, give skincare.
Johnny said, "What's that?"
That's alright. A new routine, I accept that. That's a woman thing.
It's a woman thing.
Okay.
Okay, I will be next When Johnny finishes, I will be next. It's only almost 7:30, guys. So it's very early. I'm usually in bed at 11 o'clock or 12, but because we're here, we're early to bed. I'm not really sleeping early. I will do some editing. So guys, humana ko panot brush. Now I will do my skincare routine on Tuesday. I will use this, guys. Can you see it? Pure Clay L'Oreal Paris gel wash. It's a gel wash, guys. Sorry, my retainer ako, guys. Mahirap magsalita. Parang naka-brace. So I will wash my mukha, then put gel wash. It's a charcoal pala, guys. Yan ang kulay. Charcoal. At mabango siya, guys. Then soft siyang ilagay sa iyong mukha. So, rub mo lang, guys. Rub mo sa mukha. Rub, rub, rub. Ito pala, guys, ay detoxifying gel and brightens and cleanses your skin. Hindi to sponsor, guys, ha. Pinili ko to sa local pharmacy dito. And next, I will put mask. I only put this mask every Tuesday and Saturday, twice a week. Same brand, guys. L'Oreal Paris Pure Clay Mask. So, lagay natin. Lagay mo lang ng manipis at leave it for 15 minutes. Then, wash it off. Then, after I wash it off, guys, I use my toner from Yes Style. And after that, I put the cream. And that's it. Finish. So, lagay natin itong mask and then ipakita natin kay Juan yung mukha natin, guys, na naka-mask. Ito, charcoal mask. Same siya, guys. Detoxifying mask. Yan na, guys. Happy Halloween! Pakita natin kay Jan. Show it to Johnny, guys. Darling, I will show you something. Darling, look at me.
Oh my God. What the hell?
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween. You look scary. You look like
What?
camouflage soldier
Come
going out in the bush. Special Air Services going in the bush. Army SEAL. Navy SEAL. Oh! Oh, glory.
Johnny said I look scary, guys.
Lord have mercy.
Happy Halloween! So I will just leave this for 15 minutes guys at tapusin natin ang ating routine
How long do you
mamaya.
leave that on for?
Guys, 15 minutes na. Nigahi na. Nitikig na akong nawong guys. Nanghuot. Namala. Namala na. Gahi. Gahi akong nawong. So, ato nang i-wash off guys. Ato na. Hugasan atong nawong. So guys, after washing it off, I put my toner. I used cotton pad. That's it. And then next is the cream. The last part. Malapit na maubos guys. I use this every night. Yung clear soothing cream. So that's it guys. Tapos na ako sa aking night routine. Pero yung mask guys, hindi ko yun every night. Every Tuesday lang at Saturday. Pero the other stuff is every night. So, yeah, nagsinaw ang ating namo. Anyway, dito ko natapusin ang video ko kasi tulog na si Jan. Thank you for watching guys. Kung bago kayo dito, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And see you in my next video. See you tomorrow. Our third day workshop in here. So, good night guys. Bye-bye. God bless.